呢個係最新嘅車務狀況，8號風球現正生效。由於要清理路軌上嘅雜物或維修受損嘅設備，東鐵線路編段包括過境線路及輕鐵嘅列車服務，預計需頗長時間恢復。其他鐵路維持有限度服務，港鐵巴士服務仍然暫停。詳情請留意 NTR Mobile。This is a train service update. Typhoon signal 8 is now issued. Service on the open sections of the East Rail Line, including cross-boundary sections and light rail, may take quite a long time to resume as we have to clear debris on the tracks or repair damaged equipment. A limited service is being maintained on other lines. Please refer to NTR Mobile for details. 為了安全切勿進入路軌範圍，如需拾回跌落路軌嘅物件，請聯絡職員協助。為保安全，不要進入違法範圍，請繼續回避。往望角東將推的將路口，請勿超越時速。自動閘門打開後，請小心月台空隙。前往旺角東的列車即將到達，請不要超越黃線。自動閘門打開後，請小心月台縫隙。The train to Mont East is arriving. Please do not pass.
上星留意到班列車已經抵達東鐵站，所有乘客落車。